Guys, I've always loved this railway crossing point in small towns when I see in movies, because I love movies. So in those other movies where maybe the police are chasing someone and someone crosses, they're late to chase the person, or maybe someone is chasing a loved one, they want to apologize, or those nice love points. Guys, so when I moved to this our small town Kalgoorlie, I saw this. I was like, oh my god, it's like I'm in those movies. Guys, it's when on a day that you're late for work and you meet the interstate one that has a long train.